Ethereum has exploded since yesterday, making a new all-time high today. I absolutely freaking love this. I love this game. Crypto is it's the most exciting market by far. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to discuss just what the heck is happening, as well as my price prediction for later this year. Ethereum is going to go a lot higher than most people expect, and other people's disbelief in the potential of Ethereum is your opportunity. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you catch all of my videos. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the charts here. And oh boy, what a freaking day. Perfect breakout on that ascending triangle. Well, almost perfect breakout. I'll get to that in just a second though, but really solid move for Ethereum here. Remember, our target for this breakout pattern is around $1,920. So we could see Ethereum going a lot higher in the next few days as we see things starting to heat up. So there's still time to take action if you're trying to trade this breakout. One thing to keep in mind with this breakout though is that the volume wasn't bad, not bad, but also not super convincing on this move. So we could potentially see a scenario where Ethereum comes back down, tests the top line briefly, flipping that resistance, that previous resistance of course, into a new line of support before pumping higher. That might not happen. It's just a scenario for you to keep in mind. Ethereum might just be picking up enough steam that we just keep pumping straight up to that $1,920 target. But you know what? Can we just take a moment here? Just stop for a second to appreciate what happened with Ethereum today, because Ethereum just hit a new all-time high today. It's currently sitting over $1,500, and that's a good feeling. It's been a long road for Ethereum, a lot of doubt and anxiety. I remember when Ethereum was like under $100, like not that long ago, to be honest. But we are definitely in an exciting place. We're heading into price discovery for Ethereum, and it's awesome. By the way, that $1,920 target, that's just our short-term target. I fully believe that Ethereum could double in a very quick amount of time, exactly like Bitcoin did when it finally made that decisive breakout above its previous all-time highs. But $3,000, that is not the end for the price action for Ethereum in 2021. I think it's going to go much higher, but more on that in a minute. A big thank you to BlockFi for sponsoring today's episode. Now with BlockFi and their mega popular interest accounts, you can earn a safe and simple passive income on your cryptocurrency. All you need to do: deposit your funds either via a crypto transfer, so you send your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or your Litecoin over to BlockFi, or you can actually do a bank transfer, and then you just sit back and earn. BlockFi does all the hard work for you. You get 5.25% on your Ethereum, 6% on your Bitcoin, 6.5% on your Litecoin, 5% on your Paxos Gold, and 8.6% on USDC dollar stablecoins. BlockFi is my preferred lender. I've been using them for a year and a half now. Absolutely love the service. And they even offer this really cool flex pay option. So basically you can deposit dollars or any other cryptocurrency and then set all of your payouts to come in the currency of your preference. So if you want to put in, dollars and Ethereum and Bitcoin, but all your payouts come in Bitcoin, well, you can set it up to do that, which is pretty cool. And as a special bonus, if you sign up using the link down below in the description, then you'll get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus. So check that out. Okay, so let's talk about opium. Let's talk about price predictions for Ethereum. Where's the price going to go? Higher. No, but seriously, for real, it's going to go higher. No, look, in yesterday's video, I talked about the short-term price prediction for Ethereum going to $3,000. I very much believe that we're going to see the price of Ethereum double in a relatively short amount of time. Exactly like we saw happening with Bitcoin when it broke its all-time highs. And maybe some crazy thing will happen and that won't happen, but the way the market's looking right now, that's where Ethereum is going. But that is not the end for Ethereum. I do not believe that the high watermark for this bull run for Ethereum will be a simple 2x over the previous all-time high. Nah. Ethereum could easily do another 10x or more this bull run. Now, as I've discussed in previous videos, my bear case for Ethereum in this bull run, $5,000. My medium bull case, $10,000. My mega bull case is $20,000, assuming everything goes right for Ethereum. And I know it's hard to believe those numbers are possible. We're still down here, barely over $1,500, but that's the same kind of attitude that people had when Ethereum was, $20 a few years ago. There will always be those people who believe in innovation, who believe in technology and see around the corner, see what's coming. And then there's those who don't believe in technology and innovation and the adoption curves of technology, and that the markets can give you incredible returns even at this stage. Those who believe in the investment thesis of an asset like Ethereum will likely believe in the higher number price predictions for this bull run. So we're talking $15,000, $20,000 per Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum right now, it reminds me a lot of Tesla, actually. All the haters out there saying it's never going to work, it's never going to scale, it's never going to catch on, betting on failure, failing to understand the innovation that was on offer, failing to see the big picture. I mean, Ethereum's a beast. It's literally working to remake the entire freaking financial infrastructure. All financial services will eventually become decentralized. Ethereum can be the nexus for all of that action. Lending, borrowing, payments, invoices, stocks, derivatives, real estate, bonds, frickin' fiat money, right? Even other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin on top of Ethereum, as well as other stuff like gaming and decentralized IDs. Now, what's the value of the technology that runs all that stuff? Probably a lot more than it's currently worth. I mean, seriously. Right now, most institutions, they have zero exposure to Ethereum. They're totally asleep on this technology and the potential of this technology. They are missing out on a massive opportunity, exactly like most of them missed out on Tesla. And just like most of them missed out on Bitcoin. But things are changing, right? This month we do have 3 major catalysts for institutional exposure for Ethereum, including Grayscale reopening. By the way, on the first day of Grayscale reopening, it's Ethereum Trust. They bought like 28,000 Ethereum. So obviously there is a demand there from institutional clients to get access to Ethereum. And of course, the launch of the CME Ethereum futures and the Galaxy Digital Ethereum funds coming for the CME next week, Galaxy Digital Ethereum Fund 2 weeks from now. But here's my final point on the future price for Ethereum. Investing in Ethereum, it's investing in the future of the internet. It's investing in the belief in technological innovation. If Bitcoin is aiming for the market cap of gold as a store of value, then Ethereum is aiming to be the settlement layer of the entire financial system. There's no asset we can compare that to. So if Bitcoin during this bull run will do a 10x, get to $350,000, then why wouldn't Ethereum also make at least a 10x move during this bull run? Now that would put Ethereum around $15,000 a coin. And if Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, then we're looking at $20,000 a coin, potentially even a bit more. Now, is that too crazy? Too crazy, Lark, too crazy. Well, maybe. But the people who are saying that's too crazy also said all those other things were too crazy, and then they happened. But anyway, I would love to know your opinion. What do you think? Will we see these kind of, massive valuations for Ethereum? 15,000, 20,000, maybe even more? Let me know down below in the comment section. As always, very curious to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.